The XC40 Recharge receives a Top Safety Pick Plus award. To qualify for either of our Top Safety Pick awards, a vehicle must achieve a good rating in all 6 of our crashworthiness tests. The vehicle must also achieve an advanced or superior rating in our front crash prevention tests for vehicles and pedestrians. Finally, our Top Safety Pick winners have available good or acceptable rated headlights. Our Top Safety Pick Plus winner have those same headlights available across all trim levels. The XC40 Recharge achieved a good rating on our headlight evaluation, and those good rated headlights are available across all trim levels, which is why it received our Top Safety Pick Plus award.